Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achalia. Our today's topic is GOD. The GOD particle theory in the standard model of particle physics, the high of bosons, Higgs of bosons, that also known as God particles, is the elementary particles that decays quickly. It is a very unstable, has no electric charge and has zero spins. It is a found in the Higgs field. The Higgs boson, sometimes called the Higgs particles. In the elementary particles, in the standard model of practice physics produced by the continuum exhibitions. The Higgs field is one of the field of in particle physics theory. In the standard model, the Higgs particle is passive scalar boson with zero spins, no electric charge and no color charge that couples to mass. It also very unstable, decaying into other particles almost immediately. Candidates Higgs boson events from collisions between protons in the LHC. The top event in this CMS experiment shows the decadency into two protons. Dashboard yellow lines and green towers. The lower event in the Atlas experiment shows a decadency into the force motions. The Higgs field is a scalar field with two naturals and two electrical charges components that form the complex doublets of the weak isosquinian symmetry. Its Maxson has shaped a potential has a non-zero value everywhere. Otherwise, empty species which breaks the weak hypospecial symmetries of the electroweak interactions and viva the Higgs mechanism gives the some particle mass. Both of the field and bosons of the named after the physician Peter Higgs, whose 1964 along with five other scientists in three teams proposed the Higgs mechanisms, a way of the some particles can acquire mass. All fundamental particles known as the time should be massless at very high emergencies. But fully explaining how some particles gain mass at lower in charge had been experimental difficult part. If these ideas were correct of particles known as scalar bosons should also exist with certain properties. These particles was called as Higgs bosons. This particle was called as the weather of Higgs belts was the correct applications and explanations. After 40 years of search, subatomic particles with the experimental properties was discovered in 2012 by the Atlas and CMS experiment at the large of Hendel corridors. This called LHC at the certain of the mass of the 1940, the Higgs boson is particle was called as Higgs bosons. The fundamental of shoots the property confirm the match and experimental properties of the Higgs boson. The physicians from two of the three teams, Peter Higgs and Francois Englert, were awarded in Nobel Prize. In the physicians 2013 in their theoretical and predictions, Aldous Higgs name has come to be associated with the theory. Several researchers between about 1960 and 1972 independently developed different parts of it. In the maintenance media, the Higgs boson has often been called the God particles or GOD particles. From the 1993 book The GOD particles of novel Laurent level landmine, although the nickname is not endorsed by many physicians. The name mostly strongly associated with the particles and failed Higgs bosons. For some times, for particles is known as by the combination of PRL. Other names is brought Ingratens Higgs particles and Androstrons Higgs particles and Brown's Higgs, Groling's, Huygens, Keeble mechanisms. This is the still used at times. At the potential of the recognition shared Nobel Prize. In the most of appropriate names of occasionally a topic is diabetic until Higgs himself prefer call is the particles of either by aquarium of this. This involves or the scalar boson is called as Higgs particles. The particle we known as the Higgs contribution also provided experimentally with a circumambulance constant target needed of test of the theory. This is all about the GOD particles. Thank you.